In this video, I'm going to talk about how to quickly distinguish between Gen 2 and Gen 3 Supercharger stalls. I'm here at the Buckeye, Arizona Supercharger station off of the I-10 in Phoenix area. And we have a mixture of Gen 2 chargers and Gen 3 with newer, faster speeds. And over here, the first thing you should look for is the size of the cable. So if the charging cable is thick like this is a Gen 2. And you can show up to a supercharger and there could be a mixture of Gen 2 stalls and Gen 3. So you want to go for the Gen 3 stalls, which is going to give you that faster charging. It's up to 250 kilowatts. Here is a Gen 3 charger. Check it out. It's much thinner cable. This is the newer technology. If you plug into one of these stalls, you're barely gonna have time to run inside, use the bathroom, or grab a snack because it is so quick. So if your vehicle can support it, you can get up to 250 kilowatts of charging on the Gen 3. I'm plugged in right now. I only need 10 minutes of charge to get home. So yeah, I'm currently plugged into the Gen 3. And right off the bat, you'll see the cable design. It's a very thin cable. That's a quick way to tell. Here we have a thinner cable. This is a Gen 3 charger. It can support up to 250 kilowatts. And I will walk over another Gen 3. Gen 3. This is a Gen 2 and much thicker cable. This is the older chargers. Still pretty quick, but now that Gen 3 is around, you don't want to be plugged into an older system if you have an available faster stall. Other than that, the in-car system will tell you the speeds, and it says up to, so an entire supercharger station could just be all Gen 2, so it'll tell you up to however many kilowatts. But in this case, where it's a mixture of Gen 2 and Gen 3, it's really important to know the difference. That way you're plugging into the faster stalls, saving you time, get you back on the road. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please consider subscribing. See you next time.